Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix enable to check for updates, checking for software update failed because you are not connected to internet. So if you try to search for your software update and you see this kind of error, and the solution is in the error which is written that you are not connected to the internet. And if you are already connected to the internet and the problem is still there, then how you can fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after that you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And here what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off so that your Wi-Fi internet connection can be restarted. And after that what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and you have to simply go back, and you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on that, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply go back, and you have to simply restart your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the volume button and power button, and you have to simply power off your iPhone. After that, you have to simply restart your iPhone, and after restarting your iPhone, you have to simply check whether your problem has been solved or not. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to setting, and after that you have to go to general. You have to click on software update, and this time it will not occur a problem. So in this way you can simply solve that error. If the problem is still there and you are still getting the option of unable to check for the update, then you have to simply go to Apple discussion so that you can find the solution of your problem from the iPhone, any iPhone user which have the same problem. And you can also go to the Apple support so that they can help you in a better way. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.